What if the secret to a fulfilling life lies not in the pursuit of personal happiness, but in the happiness of others? Imagine a world where every person you meet is a friend, not a stranger. A place where every interaction is an opportunity to make someone's day a little brighter, a little better. This is not a utopian dream, but a reality that can be achieved when we decide to be doers and not users. Consider the story of John, a man who spent his life working in the bustling city, always in a rush, always chasing after the next big thing. One day, he decided to take a break and escape to the quiet serenity of the countryside. There, he met a farmer, a man who lived a simple life, yet seemed to radiate a sense of contentment and peace that John had never witnessed before. Intrigued, John decided to stay and learn from the farmer. He learned the value of hard work, of waking up at dawn to tend to the fields, of enduring the harsh sun and the biting cold. But more than anything, he learned the joy of giving. The farmer, despite his humble means, was always ready to help his neighbors, to share his produce, to lend a hand whenever needed. John returned to the city a changed man. He started small, helping an old woman cross the street, giving up his seat on the bus, buying a meal for a homeless person. He discovered that the more he gave, the happier he became. He began to understand that being a doer, not a user, is a rewarding and fulfilling way to live. Now, imagine another tale, a tale of a woman named Lucy who had everything she could ever want: wealth, popularity, success. Yet she felt empty inside, until one day she met a child on the street, dirty, hungry, and alone. She could have walked away, but she didn't. She took the child home, fed him, clothed him, loved him. In the act of giving, she found what she had been missing all along: a sense of purpose, of meaning, of fulfillment. These stories are not unique. They are echoes of the experiences of countless individuals who have discovered the transformative power of helping others, of being doers and not users. They are testaments to the power of gratitude, of appreciating what we have and sharing it with others. So, what have we learned today? That the key to a satisfying life lies in being a doer, not a user. That helping others and expressing gratitude are not just noble acts, but pathways to personal growth and happiness. That every act of kindness, no matter how small, has the potential to make a world of difference. Remember, life is not a solo journey. It is a shared adventure filled with opportunities to make a positive impact on the lives of others. So, why not seize those opportunities? Be the reason someone smiles today. Be the reason someone believes in the goodness of people. Be the reason life is so good for others. Because in the end, the happiness we bring to others is the happiness that comes back to us.